Hello guys, this is Serhi from Crowdin support team, and today I will show you how to set up our in-context tool to your website. So as you can see, I have a brand new project. It doesn't have any files yet, but it does have three target languages: Ukrainian, Russian, and German, which let's say I would like to translate my website to these three languages. And also I have the website itself. It's just a simple template and bootstrap template, but it doesn't matter. You can have whatever you would like to. And as a backend, I use Laravel. You can also use anything you would like to. So here is the source code of the page. And here we have some Laravel blade syntax, which handles the translations. In Laravel, you have the resources folder, which contains lang folder and en folder. So en for English, I have one language so far, just my source language, English, and the folder contains one file, main PHP. As you can see, it's a simple array with a key value structure. It's just key value structure. You can see title is for a key and value is cargo. So if we get back to our template, you will see that this is here. So main is the file, main PHP, and title is the key from that file. So let's say if I had a few more files, a few more folders like ru, like UK for Ukrainian, Laravel will automatically replace it for get value from those folders to replace the value depending on the locale you have. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to upload that source file, my source localization file, to the to Crowdin. So let me open it here and just drag and drop it here to the files tab. Okay, as you can see, I have 19 strings. The next step would be just to go to the in-context menu, in-context page, and enable this check mark. Okay, the next step is just to select the language that you would never ever use within your project. The one that is selected is okay with me. I won't use it, so I click build and download. And Crowdin will generate an archive for us. Okay, it's here. And we should just upload it to our website. So as you can see, it has the archive has 4 folders. Let me show you here. I have 3 target languages, and if we refresh the page, we will see one more. Yes, it's for in context, so I won't use it for the localization purposes, just for the in context tool. And I have 4 of them as my target languages. So I'm just going to copy it and paste to this folder. Okay, done. Now let's get back to the instructions here. And the next step would be just to paste this code at the very beginning of your head tag before any other scripts. So actually not at the very beginning of the head tag, but just in front of all the other script tags. I don't have any script tags here, so we're just going to paste it at the end of head. Let's save it. And the last step, as it says, would be to switch your application to this language, to the one that I've selected here. So I'm going to do that from here. So on your website, you could have a switcher, you could have like a switch or a button, whatever you use to switch languages. But in my case, I would just do that manually. So in Laravel, it would be like that, set locale. And we should pass the code. It would be that one. But if I'm not mistaken, L should be lowercase. Let's get back to our website. Let's refresh it. Okay, something is loading. As you can see, it works. It works here. You may see this like note icon next to the words we have in Crowdin to translate. So let's try to translate. Let's say first of all, pay attention here. You may select the language you would like to translate to. So it's set for Ukrainian. So let's translate home should be Головна. Let's save it. As you can see, it appears here. Let's say we would like to change the placeholder of the title of the input field. So we could just go here and type save. You can see in real time what I'm changing here. As well, the same with the button. So you may just think maybe you need to make a text shorter, or just think how you could manage that translation. Maybe you should use some other translation depending on what you translate, whether it's a menu item, whether it's a button, whether it's a placeholder. So it's completely up to you. And let's save it here. It automatically selects the next string untranslated. So if we translate services and click save, it would transfer us to about us, to the about us item. Yeah, you can see it here. And if, let's say, we are done with Ukrainian, let's switch to Russian, change. Now you can see the same English text since we haven't translated anything yet. So let's just click home and translate like Главное, close. You can see. And if you take a look at your Crowdin translations, just refresh the page, you can see that some of the words are already translated. So if we go for Ukrainian here and open that file, you will see that these items are already translated 2 minutes ago. And let's say we have translated something. Let's translate team for Ukrainian to be commander. Let's save it here. Let's get back to our localization, to our website, switch it to Ukrainian, and the team should be replaced as commander. You can see it here. So it just works in both ways, like from website to Crowdin, from Crowdin to website. So it's pretty simple. And that's basically it. Yeah, that's how to set up in context tool for your website.